Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, I am replying the Oba Omotooyosi Bayo Akinleye, the Olukosi of Ilukosi-Ijesha in Ogun State, who said that it was Peter Obi that introduced ethnic bigotry in the last election. I want to prove to him that it was a lie from the pit of hell. It was his darling brother, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that introduced both ethnic and religious bigotry in the last election, and not Peter Obi. Peter Obi was the one that introduced nationalism in the last election. He was the only one that said, do not vote for me because I'm Igbo. Do not vote for me because I'm a Christian. Vote for me because I have the capacity, because I can do the job. It was Bola Ahmed Tinubu that said, vote for me because it is my turn. It is Yoruba turn. It was Atiku Abubakar who said, what the country needs now is a northern president. Peter Obi was the only one that said, vote for me because I have the capacity. Do not vote for me because I'm a Christian. Do not vote for me because I'm Igbo. Vote for me because I have what it takes to fix Nigeria. That is the person that Oba Omotooyosi Bayo Akinleye, the Olukosi of Ilukosi-Ijesha in Ogun State, say introduce ethnic bigotry. Why I have to reply him? Because God don't lie, so that tomorrow people will not go and believe that kind of story as if it is true. When they read it, it is important that when they read it, somebody else will stumble onto this video and know that the Oba lied, that Oba is a liar. He lied. His lies were from the pit of hell. Peter Obi did not introduce ethnic bigotry. It was Bola Ahmed Tinubu who introduced it when he said that it is his turn. It is Yoruba turn. It is my turn. It is Yoruba turn. That was when he introduced ethnic bigotry. He was the one that brought religion too into the election. He was the one that ran on Muslim tickets, very insensitive to Nigeria's religious diversity. Ordinarily, the tradition is that if you are a Christian and you are a presidential candidate, you pick a Muslim as your running mate. But Bola Ahmed Tinubu went against this convention and chose Muslim tickets because he was insensitive to Christians in the north. And even before that, 1 year before the 2023 election, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, at a pre-Ramadan lecture in Oshobo, told Muslims to support fellow Muslims in the coming election in 2023. That is somebody who introduced religion. That is somebody who introduced identity politics in Nigeria. It didn't stop there. Bola Ahmed Tinubu was at the center of what happened in Lagos when his Yoruba brothers were pursuing Igbo people in Lagos, stopping them from voting in the governorship election, stopping them from participating in that election, threatening them that if they know that they will not vote for the candidates of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that is Shanwolu, don't come out, or you pay a price for that. That is ethnic politics. It was introduced by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It was Bola Ahmed Tinubu's media aide, Bayo Akinleye, that said that 2023, the last time Igbos should interfere in Lagos election. In other words, say that Igbos who live in Lagos, pay tax in Lagos, have no right to vote in Lagos. That was the people that introduced ethnicity, ethnic bigotry. They were the ones that did it. And look, this Oba is trying to be a revisionist, want to deceive the world. He want to put it on record so that in a few years' time, people who are doing research in the 2023 election, they will read it and they will think that that was the truth. It is not true. It was Bola Ahmed Tinubu who introduced a Melokon, who introduced it is my turn, it is Yoruba turn. He was the one that told Islamic scholars during Ramadan program in 2022. He told Spring Council for Sharia that they should work to ensure that another Muslim succeeds Muhammad Buhari. That is somebody who introduced religion. Peter Obi is the only one that said, do not vote for me because I'm a Christian. Do not vote for me because I'm Igbo. Vote for me because I have the capacity. It is Tinubu that said, it is my turn. It is Yoruba turn. It is Tinubu that brought in the religion into Nigerian politics, which is Muslim ticket. And Nigerians rejected him, but INEC imposed him on Nigeria. That is the truth. So the Oba, the king in Ogun State, who said that Peter Obi introduced ethnic bigotry, lied. And that lie is from the pit of hell. And I have given you proof to show that it was Tinubu and not Peter Obi that introduced bigotry in the last election. You may say all you want. You have to provide proof. Show me proof where Peter Obi say vote for me because I'm Igbo. Even at the time Peter Obi contested, at the time that many people felt that it was the turn of Igbos, turn of Southeast to produce president, Peter Obi never said it with his own mouth. He never said it. It was people who are saying it, like the Pan Niger Delta Forum. They endorsed Peter Obi, saying it is the turn of the Southeast to produce the president. Because if the presidency is coming to the South, the most appropriate place for it to go is the Southeast. They endorsed Peter Obi. The Middle Belt Forum, they endorsed Peter Obi, saying the presidency should come from the Southeast, because Southeast has never tested the presidency since 1999. The Southwest tested it 8 years with Obasanjo. They tested it 8 years with Yemi Osibanjo. The most appropriate place it should go is not Southwest again. It should go to the Southeast. It wasn't, Peter was not even saying that, but Peter was emphasizing on his strength as a leader, his track record, his transparency, his accountability. That was what he was banking on to win the election. And that was what he was emphasizing. But Bola Ahmed Tinubu was emphasizing that it was his turn. It was the turn of the Yoruba. So after the Fulani had done that, it is the turn of the Yoruba, and it is my turn. When you come to the Yoruba, it is my turn. So who among these people introduced ethnicity? It was Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He was equally the one that introduced religion. Because when he ran on Muslim ticket, he brought religion to the center. In 2022, you can go and Google it. He said that Muslims should work for another Muslim to succeed Buhari. He told the Supreme Council for Sharia in Oshobo during a pre-Ramadan program. So he is the one that introduced both religious bigotry and ethnic bigotry in the last election. not Peter Obi. Peter Obi ran a perfect campaign, and he won the hearts and minds of Nigerians. And the results showed in the election before INEC rigged it against him. Whatever is your position on what I have said to show that Peter Obi wasn't the one that introduced bigotry, ethnic bigotry, or religious politics in 2023, it was Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Whatever is your position, tell me, write it down at the comment section, and I will put the link to confirm what I have just told you so that you can go and verify. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.